These are my two geckos.
This right here in the left hand side is Matthew, and he's a blizzard gecko. In fact, he looks quite small, but it's actually quite big. Bless. Mini worms, lovely.
We thought they were both girls, but then they started fighting, and we found out they're boys because it's really hard to tell what they are when they're young, so we had to separate them with the mesh which my dad put up.
And this is Lenny looking out like, it's got one eye half open like, oh, what are you doing? I'm looking at you. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I'm just going to stay here in my little hut. I'm just going to hide.
Well, they're my two geckos. Bye!